I'm Finn here, and I am at Grandma's house, my grandma's house right now, and I'm going to be showing you my paper crafts. First I got me, second I got Jack, third I have Justin, fourth I have Nathan, fifth I have Alex, sixth I have Chris, seventh I have PlayStation Me, eighth Steel Wars, ninth Rock Jones, 10th Luigi, 11th Steve, 12th Herobrine, 13th Zombie, and 14th Enderman. So those are all my paper crafts. You will see them in my stop motions. Thanks for Morphin Williams. Goodbye.